Oh, you guys look, there's oranges. This is new. I think this is the first time in months since I've been here where there's... Oh, what type of orange is this one? What's it called? Okay. Alright, coming. Sponge?
Tangerine.
Oh, stange.
Tangerine.
Okay, stange orange.
Yeah, it's a family with orange and grapefruit.
Okay, so it's kind of like a mix.
So the grapefruit.
So it's full regular grapefruit?
Yeah, it's good for digestion.
Okay. Guys, so if you need better digestion or you just want to be healthier, you can try this grapefruit.
Really good.
Okay. Yeah, it looks good actually, and they're big. The fruit store is fully stocked now. Look how much she has. Watermelon, everything. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to try and record this before it's raining because it's already raining. But anyway, I have a really nice cooking video that we wanted to show you guys today. So it's pumpkin rice, broad bean and corned beef and some mixed vegetables. So the food turned out really good. So I just wanted to let you know what we're going to cook and you guys can see everything. So don't forget to subscribe. And if you can, share this video on Facebook, like post a little link, that would help me so much. But thank you guys as always for watching, and yeah, let me just show you guys the cooking.
With mixed vegetables.
Alright, it's on.
With broad bean.
Okay,
That's all we need.
so this is what we're cooking, everyone. Alright, we're cooking broad bean, corned beef, and mixed vegetable. And tomato and pepper is going to be part of it. And rice. So here's the... what is this? Coconut powder?
Yeah.
And the rice is already in or no? Underneath the coconut powder, I guess, because I can't see anything.
Coconut powder and pumpkin new.
Oh, yeah, there was a seasoning. I never tried this before, but pumpkin... Oh my god. The scallion just went over my head, you guys. So scallion in the pot, too. Alright. He's stirring. It's aggressive cooking.
So this is a pumpkin rice.
Oh.
With coconut milk.
Oh, I didn't think. Yeah, okay. So we had pumpkin rice before with pumpkin pieces, but never with this flavoring. So this is gonna be good, actually. I'm excited to try this. And we have the fresh scallion too. So yeah, this will be good. Alright, I'll show you guys when we do the next. Hold on, okay. Alright, this is a bell pepper. Or what do you guys call them? Sweet pepper? I would call this a green bell pepper. So look how pretty it is, actually. Light green. And the rice is cooking. Okay, anything else you want to tell them? How they need to cut the pepper?
Cut it on, you can cut it.
Slice it thin. No, but alright.
Anyway, you can cut it, you don't cut it.
Alright.
Anyway, you can cook it. You just want to make sure you say, use clean water.
Yeah, that's
just
true.
Just a belly run and you shit up yourself. Shit up and vomit up.
Oh, really? So this appropriate? Okay, shallot, or I guess it's just an onion. Yellow onion. Oh my god, this is the first time my eyes start crying from these onions. When I've been cutting them each time, they didn't make me cry. Are your eyes watering? What? Look at my eye. Look. It's fully watering. You guys, I took the wrong angle to stand. But yeah, anyway, onion's gonna cut and go in soon. That little knife is actually way sharper than it looks. Guys, this knife is really dangerous. I almost cut myself the first day. But now I'm used to it. So, tomato. And actually, everyone, these broad beans, I never had these before I came to Jamaica. And I don't know, because actually you were saying that this brand is better than some other brands, so maybe it's the Grace brand that makes it really good. But these are like my favorite bean now. Okay, so he's putting the piece of plastic over the rice. What does this do? This helps it like steam?
Yeah.
Okay. Impressive without gloves. Be careful. You guys, even when the pot is done, sometimes I see you like lift the pot or move the pot without anything. Sometimes we use this. Well, I always use this. But sometimes you can lift it without that. Okay, so the rice is gonna steam. And here's all the fresh seasoning together. And probably these are going in soon now. Okay, here's the mixed vegetable. Some oil. Yeah, everything looks so bright. Actually, these mixed vegetable things, even though they come in a can, they actually taste really good. Pretty. The onion looks fancy. Okay. Well, look what teamwork the phone light is brightening it. Yeah, actually this dinner, I'm actually obsessed with like anything with corned beef. So this is gonna be really good. Looks pretty. The oil's splattering. So some seasonings going in. What is it? All-purpose. Okay, some all-purpose seasoning going in. I wish I could get closer to this by splattering. Alright, there we go. We saw a little bit. So this is actually really good seasoning. I think it's like tomato and basil. Gonna drain the beans and he's gonna come back. So a bit more of the, is that the pumpkin seasoning? Okay, so it's the same one that's in the rice and a little bit, not too much, but went into the corned beef also. And a little bit more oil. Corned beef now. The worst is when you buy this and the key's missing, but we got lucky today. It smells good now. Sorry you guys, I just was editing this and I realized that we didn't record the food once it got on a plate or us eating it or anything. I guess it was really good and we just got hungry and started eating it. But yeah, hopefully you guys could see in the pot. And I know it tasted really good. Like I was saying before, I love anything with corned beef. So yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys as always. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Also you guys, here's the chickens. The chicken wants Guinness. You can see the outside in the farm.